I'm walking around in the circle of life, doing the things I know, walking the same ways 100 times with the same soul. But did you ever try to puff on the right side, put it up in your life? But did you ever try to puff on the left side, put it up in your life?
sure see through your flaws, 'cause I know that you got so much more to give. You made a real mess, but I miss you though, 'cause I can go to sleep when I'm alone again. Say you wanna fix the problems, how long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in.
Where do you go when you're young, when you're restless?